I'm talking all about the cost of remodels and renovation. Is it worth it? They are expensive. I'm going to give you 3 ways to evaluate, and you can decide if it's worth the cost or the time to do your own bathroom. Stay with me. Okay, bathrooms. They are the most expensive room in the home, definitely per square foot, the most expensive space in your entire home to renovate or remodel. Refresh, I'm not really going to talk about here too much. That is where you update the surface of your home. So you're not going to move any plumbing or electrical things like that. That is a great way to spend money effectively and be frugal and love your space. But today I want to talk about that expensive way of redoing your bathroom where it's a full remodel or renovation and you're going to open the walls and get rid of drywall and take out everything and maybe even move some plumbing. Okay, so let's start with number 1. The first reason to renovate or remodel a bathroom is rot and mold. Bathrooms can really be unhealthy places. Nothing is worse than a child that needs to live in a home where they're going to be ingesting mold, black mold, into their lungs and on their skin every day when they're in there trying to clean or fresh or just live life. Mold is really, really unhealthy. It gives a lot of respiratory problems and all sorts of things. But the short version is, if there is mold in your bathrooms, address this. Maybe it's something that can be done surface, maybe not. It's that. And the other thing is rot is super dangerous. It's not a joke. If you've got a bathroom that's over maybe your kitchen and next thing you know, you got water coming out of a ceiling light, that's not healthy. That's not safe. You can get water in your electrical. You can actually have, a bathtub fall through the floor and land in your kitchen with you. So if you've got rot and mold, this is just simple. You might not have to do a full gut, but do it, okay? It's your health, it's ReSale, it's everything. Do it. The second reason that you want to renovate or remodel a bathroom is quality of life. Okay, I find it super, super interesting that as general population, we spend our money on making the public areas of our home look good. We want to impress our neighbors and friends. We stress over what it looks like in the entry. Okay, these are all things that can be solved really quite inexpensively. Put a little storage, put some hooks in your entry, put a nice piece of art, $75, your entry looks fabulous. Kitchen, again, a lot of this can be surface done. You don't need to put a lot of money into the public spaces. Heck, even the public bathroom or the powder room, you can jazz up with a fabulously maybe printed wallpaper or a great piece of art and not spend a lot of money and have your forward-facing public rooms look great. And take the money you're not spending on impressing your neighbors and your friends or trying to look good on Instagram, take that money and put it in your bathrooms. So why am I passionate about the conversation of doing our bathrooms? Because when we are in our bathrooms, we are literally our most vulnerable. We take our clothes off, we're naked. Our bodies are physically vulnerable. Heat, cold, chemicals, moisture, everything. Our skin is exposed. In a very natural, animal way, when we use the toilet, we actually kind of go into a flight or fight. I never say that, I'm sorry, mentality, because we literally at that moment can't defend ourselves if something happens. So it's just a natural thing. But our bodies and our minds become very vulnerable in a bathroom. The other thing is, it's our private moments. Often we go in and we close the door and we're alone. It might be a few moments of life with a crazy family. It just might be the space of time that we want. But our bathroom is when we are most emotionally and physically vulnerable. So why don't we look after ourselves? Okay. The third reason that you want to consider spending money for renovation or remodel on your bathrooms is ReSale, or just general cost of your home. So typical conservative figure is that you're going to get 60% return on your investment. Often it's over 100, but it's 60. So let's give you a quick example. Math's not my forte, so hopefully I get these numbers right. This means that for every $10 you spend, you will get an increased investment in your home of $6. So say you get your house assessed and it's worth $100,000. You go out and you spend $20,000 on a bathroom. You have the assessor come back. Now your house is going to be increased 60% of that cost. So instead of it being worth $100,000, it's now worth $112,000. Okay? Does this make sense? So basically, is it worth doing your bathrooms? Yes. Don't be stupid. Make it suit the neighborhood. Don't go overboard. Don't spend too much money that's in things that aren't interesting to everybody, but that's a whole other topic. But generally, is every dollar that you spend in a bathroom going to get you returned? Yes. There's one other thing. People are also scared of doing their bathrooms, and they're scared of doing costs. So homes with bathrooms done, guaranteed 100% sell faster than homes that don't have their bathrooms done. So this is something else. If you want speed of resale of your home, do the bathrooms, okay? Because the other thing is, people always guess how much they need to invest, and they are going to guess probably too high, unless they happen to be a contractor and really understand the cost. So again, if they look at your house and it's worth $100,000, and they think in their mind, I'm going to have to do these bathrooms, I'm going to have to spend $30,000. So the total cost of this house to me is going to be $130,000 and a few months work. Or you could have those bathrooms done, put it on the market for $130,000, and they'll be like, oh, it's done. I'm going to get it, and it'll sell so much more quickly. Fact. Okay? So what do I think? Is it worth doing a remodel or renovation on your home? Probably. It's good if you have mold or rot. It's good for your own personal investment of yourself. I mean, heck, you can start the day better if you've got a nice bathroom. And number 3, it's really good if you are looking to resell your home and you want, or to sell your home and you want maximum return for your dollar and you want it to sell quickly. So there you go. Those are 3 ways you can evaluate for your own home. Have a great week. Look forward to seeing you all soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.